Well, viewers, the actor-turned-politician Suresh Gopi returned to the big screen with Janaki versus the state of Kerala. It's a courtroom drama that is set against the backdrop of Kerala's judicial system following the journey of Janaki, a woman seeking justice after an assault. The film's release has been delayed after the CBFC raised objections to the name Janaki, citing the association with goddess Sita. Now, the CBFC has objected to the use of the name Janaki for a character who faces assault in the movie, citing that Janaki is another name for goddess Sita and it may hurt religious sentiments. The film was originally scheduled for a release on the 27th of June, but has now been stalled following the board's objections. The makers have now argued that re-editing and redubbing the entire film is unfeasible at this stage. It's used over 90 times throughout the movie. It's not just in the name of the movie, but also in the movie that it has been used multiple times. The Kerala High Court has now criticized the CBFC's decision, noting that several films with names like Ram and Sita in the title have been released and it faced no issues. The court, in fact, also pointed to the film Ram Lakhan as an example, questioning why such concerns are being raised now. In fact, B. Unikrishnan, the General Secretary of the Film Employees Federation of Kerala, called the CBFC decision arbitrary, stating that the film contains no religious references.
Our conversation with the director, what we understand is the CBFC is very keen that the name of the protagonist, that is Janaki, be changed into something else. They have some problem with the connotations of the name Janaki. But the film doesn't have any specific religious reference or allusions, according to the director. So this decision is really disturbing and which is very arbitrary.
So let's talk about what the controversy is, why the character's name has hit controversy. The CBFC has verbally asked the makers to change the titular character's name. The objection is to the name Janaki because what they have said is that it is another name for goddess Sita, saying it could hurt religious sentiments. In fact, the objection is that the name cannot be used as a character because the central character in the movie gets assaulted. In fact, the release has now been put on hold. So let's tell you how this is going to impact the filmmakers. Janaki versus the state of Kerala was set for a release on the 27th of June, but this release has been stalled by the CBFC that has said that until these changes are made, it cannot release. So what do the filmmakers do now? Now here's what the filmmakers have said. They have made it clear that Janaki has been used over 90 times in the film. It was scheduled for a release on the 27th. Re-editing and then redubbing will not be feasible at this time and it won't be possible at all, and has claimed that the CBFC has not issued any written explanation for the same, also citing that there have been instances in the past where movies have had names of gods and goddesses and it never raised any objection. Let's go across to my colleague Arpita, who's joining us on the broadcast with the details. Arpita, what next now? Because the CBFC has been very clear the film can't release until these changes have been made, but on the other hand, the Kerala High Court has also intervened and has cited a few other examples as well. So what next? Can the movie release? What are the options now for the filmmakers?
They have in fact questioned CBFC, asking that what is the problem in the name Janaki, because in the past too there have been movies named Sita Geeta, Ram Lakhan and many others which had names of gods. So the High Court has said there was no issues raised back then when the movies were released. So what is the exact issue? They have asked CBFC to issue a statement. But CBFC on the other hand is saying it may influence, it may in fact hurt sentiments, religious sentiments of people, and that is why they are demanding a change in name. But the movie makers have clearly refused to do that, and they have said that they cannot change the name because in the movie more than 90 times the name Janaki has been used. Now remember, in this movie, Suresh Gopi, Union Minister Suresh Gopi is in the lead role, and he has still not responded to this entire controversy. But meanwhile, the court has given next hearing for June 30th. Until then, by then, the court has asked CBFC to come with a proper justification. So now we need to wait and watch what happens on 30th of June till the next hearing.
Okay, all right. So now all eyes are going to be on the next hearing that will take place on the 30th. This is the Union Minister Suresh Gopi's first release after he was brought into the governance, and now it has hit some controversy. Arpita, thank you for joining us with those details. We'll come